Hi, my name is Terry with Organic Raw Roots Farm, and today I would like to share with you how I make homemade vanilla extract. It has gotten so expensive to buy one little bottle that is really not even pure vanilla extract. So let's get started. Believe it or not, this little 4-ounce bottle is around $10 to $14 a bottle. And if you turn it over and look at the ingredients, it's not even pure vanilla extract. It's water as the main ingredients, and then caramel color, and then artificial flavors. Who wants that? I don't. Okay, I have made two different types of vanilla bean extract. This one is with vodka because vodka does not have a taste, so you're getting the pure vanilla bean. Bacardi rum, you're going to have a little bit of taste of the rum, but you're also going to have such a rich flavor with the Bacardi rum. Now this is very super easy. Within a few seconds you are starting your vanilla extract. You're going to need a couple of vanilla beans. You're going to need an empty jar or an empty bottle of your choice, vodka or Bacardi rum, or even dark Bacardi rum. So you're just going to take your bottle or your jar and you're going to fill it up to enough to leave 1 inch headspace in the jar with whatever choice of alcohol you would like to use. And then split your beans, and I also cut mine in half. And that's basically about it. Put them in the jar, tighten it up, shaky, and then put it in a dark place for 6 months to a year. And that's it. It is optional, but you can put vanilla bean paste also into your vanilla extract. Okay guys, I thought I would share with you because I am making vanilla sugar. Vanilla sugar came from Germany. It is a thing over there. And I'm going to be making mine with fresh vanilla beans, but you don't have to. You can use them from your vanilla extract when you're done with it, so you would have zero waste, but I prefer to keep reusing my vanilla beans for my extract. So basically all you're doing is putting some white sugar into a jar and then splitting the beans and then putting them in the sugar and tossing them around, and you're going to leave it sitting there for a few weeks. Now you're going to take them out later on, and then you're going to grind them up in a processor and then grind your sugar up a little bit with it also. I'll make a video on that to come, but for now this is an awesome sugar that can be used on toast, can be used in your coffee, in your tea, if you just want a little bit of vanilla taste. So just shaky your sugar and your vanilla and wait a few weeks and you will have the best vanilla sugar there is. Okay, I'm going to put them side by side. I want you to see how dark and rich the color turns in 5 to 6 months. It is awesome, amazing, and the smell is incredible. Just make sure you shake it once a week if you think about it. You know, you don't really have to, but it's preferable. Just give it a shake every 2 weeks or so if you think about it, and put it in a very dark place, cool place at that. Just a quick reminder, vodka is no taste when it comes to making the vanilla extract, and it also goes in the jar clear and turns a rich dark vanilla color. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and like and subscribe. It helps us out and we really appreciate it. God bless. Thanks for hanging out with us. Bye bye.